Hello, Momshies! This is day 10 of Daniel's summer classes in ABC Learning Center.
Nara na to. Alas 11 pa man to kinanglan no. Tatay. Okay. Ito na ta.
So much spider.
Ay, nakakipaigo sila sa aircon si Gandate.
Black and white on the
Black and white. Kisuit niya kapag nga si Panda. Tiya, ipalayo siya sa... Ha?
Hindi siya sugot itong misi. Oh, sauce. Hello? Sauce? Sauce.
Sauce? Is that your phone?
What is this?
What is that?
This one is cold. This one This is the sand.
Wow! Wave your pom-pom! Wave your pom-pom, babe! Daniel! Go, Daniel!
Jonica! Well, let's give them a round of applause, kids. Let's cheer them up.
Attention! Attention! Green team, are you ready? Yes, we are ready! Green team, we're the best, better than all the rest. Go green team, go, go, go! Watch us beam, watch us glow. Okay, 1, 2,
Bye!
Of the ball. Green, okay. And what is the shape of the ball? Is it circle or square? No, it is square ball. Oh, sit down na, Isabel. Oh, go. Daniel. Okay, go, Daniel. Okay, next. Okay, go.
we will place it here. We will put it here. Let's wait.
Si Daniel? Oo, sa Felix.
Paste it first. Daniel.
Asan man mo? Wala ka na bakit sa kanya? Uy, waon pa to.
More glue. We'll ask for more glue. Oh, there's another one here.
Go lang nga. Look at what you're doing. Your trophy. Wow.
And the last one here.
Which one? The part. Wow. It's Daniel's trophy. It's Daniel's trophy.
Star. Ask it.
And chew, chew, chew.
Is it yummy?
Okay.
Ready, ma'am?
Sus, music.
Hold your trophy, Daniel. Congratulations. Good job today.
Sud na nagtanduay dong? Dong, sud
that?
na nagtanduay?
Wow, very good. Did you enjoy school today?
Yan sila mga ano sa
Yes. Oo. Wala kayo